Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about something amazing, and guys, this is a mind-blowing thing. I'm just going to take 1 minute to see that it's the live stream is okay or not. Uh, okay. So maybe it is taking the. It's going to make it 13 July, and it's AI safety, guys. AI safety, and I am just going to change it. Okay. I'm going to put it here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So, okay, let's start the session. It's okay. So what I'm going to tell you that we were having the discussion. Okay, this was the discussion from the EA Hungary. Okay, this is the effective altruism from the Hungary, a country in the Europe, Central Europe. So of course, the Europe is one of the one of centers of that actually see the customer safety, customer that puts a lot of restriction on the companies. Yeah. So this community is really amazing, guys, because we have done almost 2.5 hour discussion, and I have literally written the 3 or 4 pages because of a lot of things were there. And lot of discussions were there. Very interesting discussion was there, and I'll be also recommending you to join that discussion if you're really interested in AI safety, AI stops. I think there is you'll be finding it very interesting and very concerning also uh, that to work on AI safety because it's important. We are going to talk about a lot of things, but we'll be. I had a lot of thoughts. This is not something that I'm going to deliver a speech or something like that. This is something that you know what I have. I had a lot of questions, but we were getting out of time. So of course, there is some restrictions about the timing for every group and all. But but uh, But yeah, like we can discuss here on YouTube many more things freely till how much time we are going to take. It's midnight, 12 o'clock, and we are just going to do discussions like I don't know till when, but we'll be doing it. And I had just I'm just getting get ready to you know just I'm just going to say what is coming in my mind. This is the channel. Just for the fun, you can say. Like, okay. So, AI safety. We heard about this word AI safety, but that word is itself, that's a big word. Um, we'll be going to the conclusion, but I just want you to give you overview, and I'm going to talk about it. Okay, because talking about this thing. Yeah, of course, we'll have a group of people where we'll be talking a lot, but now we don't have a very much larger group, so it's okay. We'll be just discussing about the things. I'll be telling the things, and I'll be giving my viewpoints. That's fine. So, you know, like AI is really a concerning thing. First of all, is that why? Because there is a parameter of intelligence, so we'll be exploring it. Okay, we'll be talking about it, that what is intelligence, because we are going to use it a lot, because artificial, is just like a man-made or something like that, an intelligence that we have not defined it. Okay, but a common definition of intelligence is that to work, to ability to work in different environments and something like that. So it is a very general definition, of course. So I think I should make this rectangle. Is it fine? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. So, it's more better or uh, I don't know. I don't know. Like I have some houses like that. Okay, that's fine. Hmm. Okay. So we'll be going to define the intelligence in a more deeper way. We'll be exploring it, okay? Because I don't have the answer for this thing now. So we okay. First of all, you can also join that group. You can connect with people from international anywhere. Okay, it is like the whole international people will be there. Okay, there will be different people from different countries, and you can actually discuss a lot of stuff there. So let's talk about AI. Okay, so AI safety is all about that. What we'll be doing so that AI will be not getting dominant. But this is quite more a deeper topic to talk about. So when I'll be learning through this course, I'll be also taking the course on the main channel. Okay, I hope you know the main channel ML2 AI. I'll be giving the link of that, so you can just go there and see all the stuffs. But we are just having a general discussion. I don't think that there will be any viewer, of course. Concurrent viewers are not there, but maybe after the live, many people can watch. I was not expecting, I was not expecting there were 70 views. So, that's amazing. Uh, I don't know, like people really liked it, and some of the 15 people have watched that another video. So it's okay. If you have any comments, and you can comment below, and it's your choice. Uh, yeah, if you like it, then I'll be continuing it. I don't have any issue with that. That okay. So okay, fine. Let's talk about it now. So AI will be going to be more powerful than humans. Okay, there are various aspects, but will be thinking in level of intelligence. Just think that they have the more intelligence power. Means they can think on the many of the things on you know very in a intelligent way, in a faster way. Okay, or in a very rational way or a critical way. So that will be a little problem for us, okay, because we humans are not very good at maintaining the earth ecosystem and all these things. Yeah, we have to. We'll be talking about that, but we have to actually now accept that thing that we are not very good at managing the resources because we are still in the war. Many countries are fighting with each other. Many have the conflicts, but AI will have a one, you know, uh, a central AI will have a, you know, that one goal. That is actually, you can say, convergent goal. We'll be talking about that. So there. Okay. I can actually. I have written that, so I can actually write it, and I really love to have discussion, guys. Um, we are actually starting a new group also. Uh, a new group of on the AI safety. We'll be talking a lot about it. We are going to actually make the policies or help to make the policies. Um, Government policies, of course. So we'll be talking about it. Let's. I'm just going to open the good notes. and I'm just going to make a new notebook, okay, on the AI safety because a lot of things are there to talk about, and I'll be talking about it, okay. Hmm. So fine, that's visible. That's completely visible, guys. Okay. Okay, I can open in it also. Okay, not to worry about it. I can be here like this. Yeah, AI is something. Uh, okay, AI. Okay. So we should move with the flow. Okay. We have to actually find hmm. Okay. So we are going to talk about artificial and intelligence. Okay. So I am just going to write the whole intelligence because we are going to see it. So, what is the meaning of intelligence? Intelligence means working in a different environment, of course, efficiently. But which type of environments? So, which type of environments? It may be, you can say it's water, if you say physical and a land, in air, in a, gaseous, in a ice or something like that, because robots can't do that now in a fire. Okay, but we also can't do in the fire, but we can operate in ice, of course, in air, in water and land. So as the AI will be doing it more and more, yeah, they will be becoming more capable, of course. Fine. Now, okay, so that is about the intelligence. So there are two type of you can say intelligence in there. You can say task based, or you can say a general intelligence. So yeah, let's see. There are task based and there are general intelligence. You have heard about the AGI, guys. I hope you have heard about it. If you know about a little bit about AI, and if you haven't heard it, then that's completely okay. Uh, so this task based. What is the meaning of task based? Okay, let's see about it. So AI is a good content writer. Chat GPT. Chat GPT is very good content writer. Now, if you want uh, it to write a book or something like that, then just fine tune it, and it will be able to write. Of course, it can now also write a very good book, but yeah, you can fine tune it, and it will be writing at the level of J.K. Rowling's and big authors. I don't know exactly, but yeah. So it has actually it is very good in content writing. But if you say about coding, then it's something like intermediate, or you can say it's beginner. If you say no from the level of AI, then it's very beginner, uh, or you can say intermediate. So like content writing is very good and it is replaced almost. But coding is a tough task. But what if you'll ask the advice from ChatGPT about the healthcare? Then is it able to do that? No, it will not able to do that. So that's the thing, guys. Like it is better in the task based, but in general that is not very better. Okay, but there is one conflicting thing. I just want to talk about the conflicting thing. If you can say a human, then can you do every work? Like, can you do content writing? No, it can't do content writing very much. But yeah, it can write something. Okay, it can write. Okay, can actually write. But it can breathe. It can talk. Okay, so we had a very good example like cashier. You can say a cashier is there which is actually counting the cash. Okay. So that can count the cash. Okay. That can actually count. Okay. See. Okay. Let's see. A cashier is actually talking with you, counting the cash. writing it, and again you are giving it. Okay, so it's doing a multiple things. I'm just going to okay, just remove this example. We are going to take the example of cashier. You can see, you can talk, you can communicate, of course, see, and you can write also. So these are some things that that seems to be common for us, of course. So that's what the general thing is. So AI will be, of course, not able to do that at this point of time, but maybe it will be able to do that because now the AI is there, Blend AI. Blend AI is there, which can actually talk with you, and it can think. But yeah, it's all about only talking. It's not about something as specific things. So that's fine. So cashier is, you can call it a general intelligence. Intelligence means, of course, we are humans are generally intelligent, but guys, we are everywhere. We are going to use the intelligent thing, but we'll be seeing it later, because when we'll have more and more need of intelligent thing and its explanation, then we'll be talking about it, and then we'll be seeing, and after seeing the intelligent meaning, the meaning of intelligent, our perspective is going to change. That's why I'm thinking that I'll be discussing it later. Now, let's talk about general level tasks. Okay, so general level tasks. I have talked about it, but you can say GPT. It has given the example of GPT. There is a one writing about it, so it has given the example of GPT. Okay, Don't- so it's example of GPT. Yeah, general level, general intelligence. Okay, so it have talked about GPT, but I don't think that GPT has the power to do that, because of course it can do a lot of work, it can write emails and all these things. But doing mathematics, doing maths, or we can say high level maths, understanding the context is far reaching, Okay. So it's not very much, possible in it, I think, in my opinion, of course, in my opinion, guys. So, and we need another architecture. We need another efficient architecture. Okay. So, efficient architecture. We need it. Okay. So, what I think, guys, that okay, I am just going to add very some a lot of pages I am going to add, because we are going to need it a lot. Okay. So we have now 30 pages, but of course, let's see how much we are going to use. Fine. So that was the thing about the general intelligence. But how you are going to have the general intelligence in AI? How? So it's general intelligence. I'm just saying it GI. How you are going to put it in AI? How? That's the question, guys. So in my opinion, it's just take, like, maybe you can use some big data. Second, huge training. Huge training means training in like Blackwell GPUs. If you know Blackwell GPUs, that's very good. Blackwell GPU is one of the newest GPU that can do a lot of computation. Or I think there should be a new architecture. For what? Architecture of algorithm, algo, that can actually understand, okay, understand the general things. So maybe it will be like reinforcement learning, RL, or maybe it will be of course I think that it will be combination of supervised, unsupervised, and RL, like reinforcement learning. I'm just going to tell you that supervised means there will be a label with the data, unsupervised there will be unlabeled data. Like supervised is like you are just going to give the image of cat, and it is going image of cat, and you are going to train that this is cat, this is the cat, this is the cat, and then after that you will be giving it a query that what is the image. Then it will be saying okay, this is cat. So that is quite simple. As you read before the exams and you just give the exams. So that is something like that. But when you see something very different, then you try to guess, or you to find try to find some patterns in the marbles or in the clouds. You can see there will be some patterns. So in that patterns, that is called the unsupervised learning. Okay, guys, unsupervised learning, that is not US, it's unsupervised learning. And RL means it's of course like you are if if you are going to do good things, then you are going to get rewards, and if you are going to bad things, you are going to be punished. So that is how it works. And I think, in my opinion, I don't know like who is going to watch this lecture, but maybe my work will be I have just started, but maybe my work will be beneficial for the AI safety. I don't know exactly, but uh, anyone does not know about future, but maybe I'll be able to contribute it. Okay, so yeah. Hmm. So what I'm talking about, yeah, the AZI. Okay, the AZI will be combination of RL plus supervised learning plus unsupervised learning. So this is going to be something collective of all these things. Um, but yeah, let's see how the future is going to be. And that will be, of course, that will be going to do a general task. So general task, like you can just add it to the robots or anything. It is going to work. Now, now, guys, where is yeah? So when what will happen when AI will be dominating the humans? Let's assume that scenario. I just want you to assume, because it's important. Why? So we will be becoming the second class citizens. I'm just not right. We will be becoming the second class, uh, citizens. Maybe like AI have one thing, that is existence. Every existence, TNC. Okay, I think it's NC, but okay, existence. So AI, every species. You can take any species, guys. It is a human being. It's a animal. It's a dog and cat. It, it's the one thing that is called survival. Survival. Pival. So this is the very prominent thing in the species, and one of the fundamental. I will be saying, it is basic thing. It is one of the fundamental things. So, what do you think? Which is the most fearful competitor? Okay, I'm just going to give you an example. How humans have done it. What if a deadly animal came to your village or a city and something like that? What will happen? What do you think? Uh, so, just give me a minute. Mhm. Hmm. So, what will we do? What you do? Just think. You'll be first you'll be afraid, then we'll be trying to kill that animal because you are fearful because of this thing is in your in danger. Your survival is in the danger. So when your survival will be in the danger, then you'll be trying to avoid that. And how you can avoid that? You can maybe you can kill. Okay, so you can kill that. Or so I don't know that you do have banned that word or not, but yeah, like that is the thing, guys. That's the real thing. Okay, so what will be happen in the case of AI? What do you think? AI has one of the biggest fear with humans, of course, because what humans want, they want to control over it again and again, so that it will be not becoming harmful. But AI will be actually, fighting with for the survivors, and it will be actually trying to destroy the humans. So this is my theory. Of course, it will be written somewhere, but yeah, it is how I think right now. So that is the theme of survival, and the person who actually, I don't know that you have heard the story of that some soldiers uh, who have fought for the survivors, and they have done a great thing. Like they have actually won the war. So maybe you can see the scenario. We can't predict that what is going. Like we can't exactly predict or say that what is going to happen. We'll be seeing what will happen. But I personally think it's my hashtag opinion. Okay, hashtag it's my opinion. Actually, opinion, Nion. Okay. So it is my opinion that we are at the dead end. Okay, we are at the dead end. I don't want to make you fear about the thing, yeah, AI, but yeah, that's what I feel right now. So that's completely fine. Okay, what will happen? So there will be a lot of possibilities will happen, but I think we are at the dead end, and there is a very few things we can do to make sure that our survival will be there. Because what I think that maybe we our next generation will be the only human race. I think, in my opinion, maybe at this point of time, maybe it will be changing when I'll be reading more stuffs about the AI safety and all. So let's talk about another thing. I know this is. I don't know that what time I am going to talk about it and how much long this stream is going to be. But yeah, I just want to talk freely. Okay, without any restrictions. I just want to talk about it. So let's see. So what do you think? Do you think that humans should actually enhance their intelligence? Again, we are here. I'm just going to write the I for the intelligence. So do you think that human beings should enhance their intelligence? Okay, and just use this enhance their intelligence so that they can have a parallel competition with AI like this. So you have to work on the intelligence, but if you like in like how first thing is how we are going to do. Maybe first thing is chips. Yeah, like Neuralink chip or or maybe there will be different things like maybe prosthetic. I am not about saying that all the people who are who don't have the arm and something like that. No, I'm just talking about cyborg. Okay, I'm just talking about cyborg. Like maybe genetic modifications. Genetic modifications can be there. Um, Different enhancement in the bodies. Okay, so like technology, tech with bio. So actually, I am from biotech field. So yeah, tech from the tech plus bio is maybe there like this. So that can be a thing. You know, that can be a thing to think that humans should do it because this is the only way. And what if? What if? What if they are going to do it? And what will happen? How much they are going to? You know, this is another topic to write an article about or have a discussion about that. If sorry, if humans are thinking to enhance their intelligence, then what are the ways? What are the ways? Okay, so there will be so we'll be talking about it, but I think that needs another video or that needs another having to read much more things and watch the videos, see other views and all these things. But yeah, that's the point. But yeah, we are going just going to so this was the thing. What do you think that humans should enhance their intelligence so that they can compete with AI? So it depends. It depends that what are the ways first thing, and even if we are going to enhance our intelligence, are we able to actually compare in the comparison of AI? Are we be able to become better or equal? It's like this. So does it will happen that humans will become better and AI something like that? So is it possible? I don't know. We'll be talking about it maybe in the next session. We'll be talking about it. Okay. 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 First thing is that many some of the people actually think that AI is dumb. You know, they are dumb. How? Why they think? It's a very reasonable thing that why people think about AI as a dumb machines right now. So there is a very good reason about it. First thing is Gemini. Yeah, I'm just going to openly criticize the Google for having one of the worst AI. Yeah, yeah, of course. It have one of the worst AI, and it can't be believed. It have claimed to release a lot of models, lot of hi-fi models, but that were all failed. So I don't know what the Google is doing, what the hell Google is doing. I don't know. Then you can say like Gemini has Gemini, and there's AI overviews, a new feature of Google, a new feature of Google. They have actually suggested some glue for pizza, and I don't know, like to drink, you know, alcohol or cigarettes, something like that. I'm not claiming that, but yeah, you can just go and Google and search it. Okay, on the Google itself. So it was the bad thing. Okay, uh, so they have actually taken it, taken it uh, back. So AI is dumb for that. And there are several things like it is biasness. Okay, it is biased. So people say it dumb, like it actually classify the people like poor people like a black, you know. So okay. So there is a one argument, one argument about why saying AI dumb is something that is not very much meaningful. Why? Why? Saying AI dumb is, I think you are saying algorithm dumb. But I think algorithm is not dumb. Okay. Algorithm is still right, but your data is misclassified. Or you can say this is the bad data. So you can say this is the bad data, guys. The bad data actually leads in a bad results. Okay, so what it will be leading? It will be leading in bad results. That's the best result or output. So if you in a system, if there is a bad input, then how you are expecting the good output? So it's it's vague, and then you'll be calling this machine that okay, this is dumb. So it's invalid argument. Okay, guys, it's an invalid argument, and I don't entertain that. Yeah. Okay. Then most of the jobs are at the end dead end, and most of the income. Okay. So one argument is that what about the jobs we are having? So let's talk about we are just going to take an example of labor job. So labor job, robots are there, and robots are actually be in the going to in the factories, and it is automating the things, and it is making actually the things faster, cheaper, and companies are doing that. Okay. So first thing is in the labor work, this is the circumstances. What is the coding? So coding. You it was the first job that was that was little bit if you see the trends, trends are getting down for the jobs because now AI is there that can do the better coding than humans. So AI is better than humans right now. So that is the thing. Now, third thing is that let's talk about AI engineers who make AI. So what the engineers are actually doing, that making the AIs that can iterate itself, iterate itself, means it can actually build itself. You know, this like I am the AI, and this is actually doing the making it more better. And this thing is not very deadly, very deadly. You think that okay, this is it's very deadly thing, deadly. It's make a feedback loop. It makes a actually feedback loop, and we'll be talking about that. So AI engineers will eventually be getting data scientists, even the data scientists, not data scientists, data analysts are the jobs are a little bit getting down. So entry level AI engineers are going to be finished. But what if? But yeah, I think now that AI engineers who are elite and will be building more better AI that will have the survival. But I don't know till when. So there is a big question till when. So we are just passing the generation. We are just passing the time. Uh, in my opinion, there is very I don't know. There is I think that there is no way that you can actually save the world right now in these circumstances that what's going on. Everyone is developing AI mindlessly just for the profit. So we'll be talking about it. Okay. But yeah, like there will be, of course, very various things will be there. Today the EU paper on the AI has actually been published. I can show that. Can show you that. Yeah. So this is the EU regulation. You can see here. Yeah, it's more better right now. I think. So I'll be taking the video on it, but yeah, this is the EU regulations. You have made a lot of regulations on it, so that's amazing, guys. And let's talk about it. Where is it? Now, ah, okay. We haven't talked about one thing. One thing is that is doctors, guys. Yeah, doctors. Yeah, they are one of the safest job I think that they have because humans humans always want human touch. So that touch is the thing. Okay. So human touch, because if AI will be going to cure someone, that seems vague. But a person who will be using AI or like mobile or intelligent device, you can say AI, then then that disease can be cured. Okay, so it can analyze. Okay, so this will be now, this will be face, it will be just a face, or you can say there will be some emotional intelligence, or a human touch will be there. Human touch will be there. So there will be some human touch, of course. So that actually works. And guys who are doctors, I think they have more secured jobs. That's completely fine. And if you're watching this, till now, and if you have patience to watch this, then I'll be seeing that you can write in comments, you can connect me. I'll be sharing my LinkedIn. You can connect me, we can talk, we can have some discussions, really deep discussions on these things. I love to do, especially on the weekends, I love to do. Okay. So yeah, of course, jobs will be replaced. Archaeologists will, of course, be replaced. Um, in the session there was archaeologist. He was asking this thing. So I haven't replied that because there is a lot of people talking. Then you are just telling this thing. So there is time constraints are there. Yeah, you can see in a very better way that okay, of course, archaeologist job is still after one generation maybe it will be extinct. Yeah, we have talked about now what it can make easy, guys. What AI can do is do a lot of things like in a nuclear power plants, it can work and it can generate the power energy in the radiation areas, or it can in the tough terrains, in the Sahara desert, maybe a robot with solar panel, can work. Okay. So a robot with solar panel can work. In the Sahara, in ice, in extreme situations, the robot can work. Robot AI. There is little bit difference between a robot and AI. Of course, robot is more towards the hardware part. It's more about the software thing, or it's something like a brain thing. It's like a body thing. Okay, got it. So, I was doing a data entry job. Okay, so it's a data entry. So, like I was not doing the job. I was doing some data entry. It was a huge data entry, like from the paper, from the handwritten digit, you are going to write in the specific format in the laptop or computer, or filling the form, something like that. So that is a tedious task. Tedious. So what I want, I at the same time I wanted, so that I have just clicked the picture. I have taken the picture of it and then give it to the AI or like Claude and ChatGPT, but yeah, I was not satisfied with it because they were, they were not giving the good results. But yeah, they will be becoming better and better so that they can be replacing the hand digit very easily. Um, Now they can actually analyze and actually see, but it depends on the quality of data. So yeah, like if you'll be giving more quality of data, you will be training it only on the handwritten digit, then it will be able to identify. So it's all about the data. Okay. So we have the confusion about the data. I have a thought about data. We are giving the our human data, our precious data, to build the AI, build the AI. Okay, to build AI, but we are not building AI. We are actually companies are not actually building AI. They are thinking about the profit. Most companies are okay. Why not they should think about the profit? Profit is the only one thing that a company want. But in the short term profit, you are going to actually put the whole human race on a stake. Is it good? No, I don't think so. So that's fine. I'm just challenging every tech giant that I think you should have more regulations. Many of the companies have actually fired. Claudia had fired, I think. Anthropic has really fired their AI safety team because maybe they'll be obstructing the things. Because this is obstruction, and they don't want to be obstructed. They just want to make a lot of money and lot of. They just want to print the money from it. It is an opportunity for them because in future there is no one going to remember. Why? Because there maybe if this will be scenario, then no one will be there so that they can remember. So I it's, then we okay, but I'll be suggesting you to use the Claude because I think Claude is more better in the understanding. It's have more intelligence, I can say. Okay, now can we call humans intelligent, very intelligent machines? I don't want to go in the definitions, like very much indicated definitions, but yeah. So can we call it? This is the question, guys. Just think about it. Just think of yourself. I'm just going to give my view. So, and a multimodal. Multimodal means I'm just going to add one thing. Multimodal. Multimodal means we can. I have given you the example of cashier, no? That you can talk, you can see, even you can analyze the things, you can write, and all these things you can do. So, are we really complex machines? Just multimodal complex machines? Are we that? What do you think? What I think that yes, you know why? Maybe we are very intelligent now. But what about calling about the machines? That do we consider about ourselves machines? So what the things actually makes humans and machines different? So I'll be not saying the machines. I'll be saying AI machines or intelligent machines. Okay, not dumb ones. So we have the body, we have the physical structure, and we have the mental, like brain. And we have the emotions. But guys, like we are thinking that we have only emotions, but AI can also express emotions if it is fed with good data. Okay, so it's tough. Then there is a consciousness. So we'll be not talking about it because I don't have the data about it. Yeah, just think, guys, just think. I don't have the data about consciousness. Then how can I talk? And if you will be expecting me that I should have I should have the knowledge about the consciousness, then that is mad. And if you'll calling me a dumb machine, then that is the whole madness of the things. And that's what we are doing with the machines. Okay, fine. Okay, it was a really huge discussion, and I'm actually I have a lot of ideas. Okay, this chat reach. There was one chat really. I just wanted to see, but views. There are no views, guys. Of course, I know, but okay, that's fine. Right now, maybe in future, anyone will be seeing. I don't know. I don't expect anyone to see, but if it helps, and if it sparks some discussions and some thinking in anyone, then that's cool actually. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about the intelligent explosion. Okay, and guys, you can find the materials below so that you can refer that you can learn on your own. And I'll be also taking the use discussions. I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm becoming very much interested in it. I really thought that okay, maybe it's very easy, that you are thinking that okay, this is it's very easy that for a first sight you become very excited, and after that deep diving in the thing things you'll becoming uninterested. So okay, let's see, is the enthusiasm that I have got. So that is also very good, because if you have no enthusiasm, then how we are going to do the things. So what is intelligence explosion? So it's like explosion. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Okay, that's very weird painting. So let's say about intelligent explosion. So intelligent explosion will be not in a biological intelligence. It will be not a biological intelligence. It will be artificial intelligence. Of course, we can see why, what is the reason? Reason is the limitation of the brain. Either even the size of the brain I actually affect the intelligence. Okay, it affect the intelligence, size of the brain, and metabolism also. Metabolism, you can say energy, or now you can't analyze the millions of the data, but AI can do that very easily. Even if you have to, I will be telling you that okay, just see this hundred of the data or thousand of the data, you will be not, I'll be not able to do it. But when you'll be just uploading a CSV file on the chat GPT, it will be doing it very easily. Just it will be not taking over 2 3 seconds. It will be just in the 1 second. It will be, you know, it is going to generate the whole thing. So its computation power is very much. And now we are going to see some aspects that why it is. Uh, so we'll be talking about the intelligence at the end. So be till the end, because intelligence will be going to be the most interesting topic. And yeah, maybe we can also cover it in a next discussion, that what is actually the intelligence is. Maybe that will be more better. But let's see. There are a lot of interesting stuff, guys. So, why AI is better than biological intelligence? Okay. So, of course, there is a computational resources. Resources. Second, communication speed. Speed is lot more than us. Okay. Third is duplicability. Okay. So, there is a need of one AI, one a very intelligent AI can make a lot of AIs that can work in a very different areas. It can work in very much of the different things. Okay. It can be do hacking, or it can be doing some. DevOps or high level jobs, data science engineer. So we just need a one intelligent AI, and it is going to disrupt everything. Okay, now it is adaptability. I'll be just taking in this because there is a like there will be any banker, there will be any banker or maybe there will be cashier or something like that. So anything can be happen. Okay, and you can just fine tune the AI in a very few time to make it better for anything. Yeah. As a human, you can't talk in French language. I can't talk in French language. I have to take training. Okay. And after 2, 3 months, I don't know how many months, but after uh, some months, I'll be able to say some French phrases. But what if you are just going to fine tune a language model in the French? Then in the 1 minute, it is going to, like, in 1 hour, it is going to, talk in French. So this is the thing, and you can make a lot of copies of AI, but we can't make a clone and think all the things. We have they have talked about a very good thing, a thought experiment. Just think that you have the ability to clone yourself, like make two clones. Then what the works will be you'll be doing. So you'll be doing a lot of things again. Maybe you'll be spending some time with the family, and maybe you'll be doing the work. So there are two clones. Okay, just think there will be three clones. Then what you'll be doing? Maybe I don't know. You just think what you'll be doing. Um, then just increase the number. Okay, just increase the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. Just think you are 100, or just think you are 1,000 of the OPs. Then don't you think that you will have the more power and you'll be able to control the world? Or if you are if you are 1,000 or lakhs, then don't you think that you'll be thinking about conquering the world and becoming the leader of the country on the world? I don't know. So that's what the AI will be thinking about this thing. So that is called the copy class or copycat, you can say. I love the cats, so yeah, just say it. Yeah, it can be more rational. We humans have all the limitations. We procrastinate, we do a lot of things, like we can get distracted. Okay, but AI will be not distracted, and it can side its emotions, and it can think very much rational about the things. And thinking too much rational is also very dangerous. We'll be talking about it. Why rationality is okay. I'm just going to write it. Extreme rationality is not good. Why? We'll be talking with later. Then okay, yeah. So we are going to talk about the positive loop. Okay, we are just going to see the loop. Let's see in the next. So there will be one positive loop created when there will be AI which will be making itself better. Then its rationality will be increasing, its existence, survival, chances of survival will be increasing, and many more things will be there. Okay, so when it will be increasing, then it will have a positive feedback loop. It's something like a dopamine rush. Okay, it's like something dopamine rush uh, that can motivate it to modify it again, again, and just do the havoc. That's fine. No, that's not fine. I'm just saying it like that. Okay, so we are now at the concluding moment, guys, but convergent was what the there is convergent goals. I don't know that exact what is the meaning. but all the humans are here. You can see here, all the humans are going to be here. And all humans have some similar goals. Like you can say career, you know, career, family time, or you can say money, and you can go in more basics. Okay, but that is what the called the convergent goals. So what the AI will have the goals. Okay, goals. Okay, but first think about that what the humans have the goal about the world. What the humans actually talk about the world. Is it really talk about the world? Does they care about the earth on which they live? Just think on a big scale. We are thinking on a big scale because we need to think it because AI will be thinking it. Hmm. So yeah, we still in war. So we don't. We are in war. There is a lot of animal cruelty. We kill a lot of animal. There is a climate change just because of us. Okay. So we are very tedious animals or a race. As a race, we are very teasing or something like that. We are creating something havoc. Still, we are in the war. So how dumb we are. Just think. Don't you think that we should be walking towards space things or maybe mitigating the global poverty or something like that? Although effective altruism and urban philanthropy and many other things NGOs are doing it, but many governments are not doing that. Many governments just want their own profit. Okay, just on profit. Some is actually playing some dictatorship or they have the different ideology. But the what about AI? Most probably, AI will have first thing is survival thing. Then that will be killing the humans. So that will be thing. Second thing, maybe they'll be make the earth sustainable for them, or maybe they'll be explore the space. And if they'll be on the uh, way to exploring the space, they'll be doing it. Okay, maybe they'll be find some technology that we can go actually greater than speed of light. Okay, and one thing is that I have just got this idea. I don't know from nowhere. From nowhere, I, I, I just got this idea. Just think that humans, advanced humans, or we humans, make a simulation about it. Simulation of a world where AI is getting better than humans, then how they will be mitigating the risk. So for the analyzing the things, how they are going to mitigate the things they have made a simulation model. What do you think? It can happen that we can make. So don't you think that we can be the part of that simulation? Yeah, we can be a part of a simulation because we can't actually determine that what is the real thing for now in my perspective. But yeah, maybe there can be some ways some people are saying that, but maybe I don't know. Okay, that is the thing. Now, so what the AI is saying that AI can reunite for a better goal and global goal, and it can actually do a lot of things. They can actually make a lot of efforts. So so at the end we'll be talking about intelligence, of course, or maybe little bit. I'll be just questioning the things, but okay. How we are beginning? Okay, Mm. Then, yeah, I have talked about that humans are at war, climate change. We are developing the AI mindlessly just for the profit. We are not thinking about the humanity. So, how we are becoming more intelligent, I don't know. Then we have a lot of things, climate cruelty and all these things. So, do we really think that we are intelligence? We are intelligent, and do we have a right to live on Earth? These are the questions, guys. Like we need to ask it. Like, do we have actually the rights that we should live on Earth and exploit these resources? Is it a good way that we still fight for the land? Don't you think? Just think that what is it? And if you're watching this till now, then I'll just say that write in the comments like what your views. And yeah, if you're watching till now, then I'll be saying that okay, just go in the description. There will be a LinkedIn account. Connect with me. We'll be having a very good talk on it. Yeah. So this is the thing, guys, and I don't know what is the solution. I don't know the solutions, but of course I'll be coming with that because you can't come up with only questions and just ask some questions. We have to find the conclusions also. Okay, we'll be finding it, but one scenario I just want to give you. Just think, North Korea. I hope it is North Korea that has the dictatorship. Okay, so if they are able to make a super intelligent AI, and AI is going to advise them, or maybe America or any country, I don't know, is have the super intelligent AI, and that will try to conquer the world. you know many of the countries are giving weapons to the robots. Yeah, America was also testing it. You can just watch in the internet. So what if a country is trying to become the world leader due to AI? What will happen? Just think. Maybe that will be a havoc thing, and that will be actually World War III. So maybe dictator like South, I think North Korean dictator, that will actually go on war with AI. And what will happen? What will happen with the world? So it's really unstable world, guys. I don't know what will happen. But yeah, like don't be fearful. We are going to stay here for a long time. But, because still there are a lot of things to be developed in AI, so that the AI can be deadliest. But yeah, that takes time. Now let's talk about the intelligence edge. And this is so we think ourselves humans as the most intelligent. Okay, now of course, I think we have the many parameters of the intelligence, and some of the species, like some of the, like you can say, some spin-off species of human beings were there who actually were more intelligent. You can say this is the intelligence scale. So they were better than us. If this is the humans, then they were like this, something like this. So, where we are going to set up the marker and how much AI is going to be intelligent? How much? How much? Is there any limit? No. And if, of course, there should be a limit. There should be a limit. But how you are going to determine that limit? And if, just think that if there is not limit, then they are just become the god. Okay, I'm not going to trigger this thing, but yeah, you have to think about this thing, and these are some interesting things. And this is the reading session. I'm just going to put in the description. You can just go and see this thing. But yeah, like you can read. I have read this. I'll be also reading. Okay, I'll be reading, explaining a lot of things because I am really interested in it. And I don't know. I can become. I, you can't say really in the first session that you can become a researcher. You have to go more deeply. But yeah, um, I have read this and I'll be explaining it in more details. We'll be taking more sessions on it. So I'll be just putting the all the things in the description. This and my channel link and my LinkedIn. You can always go and connect with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have watched this session till now, till now, then I'll be I'll be saying you have a lot of guts and you have a lot of interest in it. And because watching a 1 hour long session, I think that needs a lot of interest. And so that's good. I appreciate you, guy, or guy. I don't know. And thank you. It's. I think it's 1 a.m. It's 1:20 a.m. But yeah, my curiosity has almost. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, because maybe I'll be reading more and I'll be questioning more and more. But yeah, I have satisfied myself, and that's the thing. Guys. Satisfaction is the important thing. Although I'm feeling sleepy a lot. So thank you guys. Thank you a lot, and get in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying the science, AI, and all these things.